very enjoyable.
I would describe it as really fun, exciting. I really like the vibe here, and it's just, even if you're not performing, it's really fun to be at.
You just learn new things, and when you go home you can practice.
A lot of experience.
Yeah,
Yeah.
definitely.
Making new friends, yeah.
It's an amazing opportunity. It's great, you know, it's really a mixture of different kids, and I think it's a good way to put their energy into something positive.
Like, no one's judgy, everyone's all friendly,
Very,
everyone's
very positive
supportive.
vibes.
Yeah,
Very
it's
positive.
supportive.
It's really positive for the whole community, and it's exactly what we need right now in this climate. Yeah, really good. Electric, absolutely electric, and an amazing talent, really, really good talent, yeah.
Extraordinary. It was really good.